probably not safe, but hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Today's a very exciting day because my brother comes home from Navy school, Navy boot camp. No, it's not boot camp anymore, Navy school, and we're gonna be picking him up later. But right now I just finished filming a get ready with me because a lot of you guys have requested me to do a makeup tutorial slash like get ready with me for the makeup that I wore to an event the other day at the Christmas holiday party. So that's why I have this full face makeup on, and then I just threw my hair in a bun, and that's why it's kind of wavy right now. I wanted to open up a couple of PR packages because I have 2 of them, and I think I have like 4 coming in today. And I've missed my FedEx guy for like the past 2 days. I feel so bad. He probably thinks I don't live here anymore, or I just hate him because I haven't been home to receive the packages. But the first package we have is this one. It is from the company called Necessaire. It says, care for your body. Einstein once said, kindness and self-compassion lead to clearer thinking. Remember this. I'm gonna keep this by my desk just so I can like read it from time to time. The body wash is a daily multivitamin cleanser for skin health. Fragrance free, apply all over body, massage for rich foam, and rinse well. This is what it looks like. The body lotion is a fast absorbing daily peptide and multivitamin moisturizer for skin. Wow, I have a lot of new body washes to try. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Necessaire for gifting these. I will put their Instagram down below and I'll update you guys how they are on my skin. But yeah, thank you so much. All right, a few Instagram stories later. So this is from Bollare. I think that's how you pronounce them. That is not a good look, y'all. Shout out to my girl Conchita from Bollare. She said, hi Farina, hope you enjoy all your goodies. Can't wait to see you style everything. There's so much goodies here. Christmas came early. This is from the brand The Fifth Label. So this is just what it looks like, and that's for the top. And then up next we have this. Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, I like this. They know I like off the shoulders. I have this white ruffled off the shoulder top, blue tee from The Fifth Label as well, and it just says, until our hearts collide. Wow, so deep. And then moving on, I have this from Cotton Candy LA. Whoa, I don't own any like snakeskin tops, so this is exciting. And that's just what it looks like. Whoa, the feeling of this is like fake leather. So this is from the brand Welcome Women's, and it's just a like v-neck, and do you see like that shine? It like reflects. Then I have this crop sweater. Oh my god, I have been wanting a black crop sweater for a while, so I have this one. This is just what it looks like. And then, oh my god, thank god I didn't get the jean sweater from Forever 21, and they just sent me this sweater. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I'm so excited, you guys. So it's just a jean jacket, and then on the inside, you guys, oh my gosh, the inside is actually Sherpa, which is awesome because I'm going to Mammoth in January and I need this. I need this for the cold. This is from the brand Dear Dahlia in the shade Moon Glow. Ooh, I'm interested. I'm listening. Oh my god, is it a lip gloss? Because I've been super into lip gloss. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Guys, you guys know my obsession with marbles, and specifically white marbles. Look how pretty this shade is. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ooh. Now we have the shade Stardust. Then we have the shade Bronze Sky. These are such pretty names. Like, they're simple, but like they're such pretty names. Moving on, we have the shade Twilight. And last but not least, we have Morning Dew. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to Bollare and all of these companies that sent me their products. I'll put their information down below if you guys want to check them out. But yeah, that is pretty much all the PR packages I got so far. I'm waiting for a couple more since my FedEx guy is not here yet. Go to school, take my final, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick my brother up from the airport. So lots of exciting things happening. Hello, good morning. I just finished my final. I feel really good about it. Now I'm at my local like camera store, whatever you want to call it. I finally finished all of the films in here, and I always go to this camera store to get mines printed or emailed, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Again, if you like to purchase these, just go ahead and get them from Amazon instead of like Urban Outfitters or something, because it's a lot cheaper.
I'm
coconut poke by myself. Yeah, this is very new to me because I usually don't eat by myself at restaurants. Here I am. I just finished eating lunch by myself, and I usually don't go to restaurants and eat by myself. If I'm gonna be eating by myself, I usually take it to go. But today I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna eat it here at the restaurant, and it was a very interesting one. I think I've only really eaten at a restaurant by myself like twice, because I did it last year during Vlogmas, I think, or like one of my vlogs. But yeah, today was my second time doing it, and it was honestly therapeutic. You're probably like, this girl is a little crazy. It was just like nice to be alone in my thoughts. Every time the song plays, it just reminds me of Trace, because he sang this when we went to an event.
Dreams, that's where I have to go, not over you. And if I have the chance to renew, so deep in my feelings, I'd rather be with you.
Hey guys, so I just got home from school and lunch and errands, and I got more PR packages, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up with you guys. Ooh, okay, so I got a package from Kiehl's, and they sent their holiday nourishing dream team, and then I also got their Kiehl's rare earth deep pore cleansing mask. Thank you so much to Kiehl's for sending that. I didn't even know that they know it exists. This is from Victoria's Secret, because if you guys didn't watch my previous Vlogmas, I mentioned that I'm gonna be working with them for a couple of months on a campaign. So this is their package that they sent out. It's not working out. Ta-da, guys! Oh my gosh. So these are the packages inside. Hey girl, we're so excited to be working with you, and we can't wait for you to try the Pink Beauty collection. Ready, set, obsessed. The Pink Beauty team. There it is. So that is pretty much all the PR items I have. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish editing my Vlogmas Day 11, because I am actually a day behind. So I need to upload my Vlogmas Day 11 before I go out tonight, and then I also need to upload my Vlogmas Day 12. Sorry. I'll catch you guys in a bit, and probably the next time I vlog is gonna be with my brother, so deuces. Oh dude, are you sick?
I don't think I'm gonna do it yet. What up?
What up?